Hi guys! If you love taking photos but often worry about out-of-focus shots, capture a blurry photo, or struggle with low-resolution camera, this video might help. In this video, I will show you some photo enhancers with free and online solutions that will help you easily solve the problems. First up, let's take a look at HitPaw Online AI Photo Enhancer. It's a powerful online photo editing platform that can help you enhance any photos quickly. Here, you can upload your photo. Take this portrait photo for instance. On the left side, we can choose different AI models. In this case, Face Soft model is more suitable as the photo is a portrait image. Choose 400% resolution. It will upscale the photo by 4 times. And click on Enhance, and there it is. If we zoom in, we can see that the photo clarity has been greatly improved. The face and hair is looking natural. The sweater's detail is enhanced perfectly. Then you can simply save it on your device for free without watermark. Here is another example. If you are enhancing landscape image or animal image, just try other models to suit your needs. What's more, it also has a desktop version with infinite canvas. You can use it to enhance images, generate images, and do photo editing. It is ideal for your creation. Next up is Google Gemini. We can simply import the blurry photo in the dialog, then describe how you want to modify the image. For example, we are asking it to remove blur from this image, and click on Submit. And there it will enhance the image for us like this. Sometimes you need to try multiple times to get a satisfied result. The third one is an app for mobile users to quickly enhance the modify images. The app is called AI Marvels and the official access link can be found in the description. We can simply go to the AI lab and tap the first card to import your blurry image. Then ask it to make the image clear. You may change other AI image models as well, or just leave it as default. Then tap Submit. And seconds later, we have a completely new and clear image with good details and quality. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.